Parameter 3, 20 milliamp scaling or range setting. Now, if you are not pleased with the milliamp scaling the auto setup has given you, as it shows at the moment 6.6% of range, you can manually change it afterwards. And that you do by changing parameter 3. So let's go there, see what we have here. So it's at the moment at 100%. Now if you want to double the range, you put here 200%. Increase it by 1. We save. We go back to the display. And what we can see, instead of the 6 point something percent we had before, it's now showing around 3%. So we have doubled the scale and thus halved the current output. Now something happens. Always when you manually change your scale, it performs a zero and span check afterwards. So you've seen it first went to 0, then it went up, and now it's back to normal. So this is just normal behavior after. Always when you change your range, zero and span check will be run. So now we see 2.9%. So let's say we want to zoom in a bit. At the moment we have 200% of range. Now we want to zoom in and say let's change that to 50%. Go to parameter 3. 200%. We need to change to be 0. 0. Then we go here. 10, 30, 40, 50. We save. And we go back to measurement mode. So now it's 20% of range instead of 5. Soon we will see that the LEDs will change. Just a second. Yep. Now it goes to 0. And afterwards it will scale up to 100% and do the zero span check. Just a second. All right. Now we are back in normal.